my channel. Please, I would like you guys to view, if you really didn't follow up, I think I've done how we created an account in Simple Accounting app, and told you how we prepare the customer list, and showed you how to add your inventory, and showed you how to generate receipts. That's your sales. For now, from what we have been teaching, I will have done like 40,000 worth of sales. If I hit here, you're going to see it, which is, but you just, if it's a daily activity, or you can update through your your receipts. If you have hard copy receipts, you can update with that. Now, I'll teach you how to create a vendor so that you can make purchases and all that, them coming to supply to you. So before you do that, there's two ways to do that. Through, you can go through you can go through this, or you can go through this, whichever way. So I'm going to I'm going to make use of this. I'm going to make use of this right now. So if I hit here, you see customers and suppliers. I took you guys there before. So I'm going to hit that, and if I hit that, I have two customers, but I don't have supplier. So I'll hit my supplier, then I'll add supplier. Supplier name, this supplier good. Now the supplier name, we have one of my supplier that supplied me diesel for generator. So I'll put his name as Bamboo Energy. The, yeah, email address ID. Email address. Close. Pager. Contact number. I have to just put in something just to show you how to, just to show you how I'm registering it. Contact person, put the person's name. And you save. So you can also add another vendor list that supplies that supplies that supplies some finished product, like you want to resell. So we have we have To me, I'm trying to remember one or two vendors that are supplying some finished products like KC Polyback. Doesn't really have an email ID address about contact person, contact person. Okay. I see. At least now we have at least now we have like two vendors, we have two customers. I really want you guys to go back to my channel and watch how we created the customer, and this is how we created the supplier. So now I will be creating a purchase order for this because I've gotten my vendors which I needed them to supply, but most time we're raising purchase order. Somehow you raise a tender to people you know you can supply, and when they send your pro forma, you understand, and you compare the prices, you can choose who to register as vendor and raise purchase order for supply. So now for me to create the purchase order, still you have the sales, you have the purchase. So I'll just hit the purchase order. Let me take you back. You hit the purchase order, which is this. You just hit on it. Now I'll hit on the purchase order and they say create a purchase list. So if you see new, good. So everything remain the way it is. Everything remain the way it is. And you come to suppliers name. Under supplier, I have the Bamboo Energy, or somebody just walked in to supply this, and that's why you have walk-in supplier. So for Bamboo Energy, I'll be buying diesel or fuel for the generator. So I hit Bamboo Energy. Now select item or product. Okay, I'll be doing for the diesel. Okay, let me go ahead and do for diesel. Select product. So right now, I'll immediately go and add the product. Let me go and add the product I want to buy. You go to inventory, product or service, then I'll add product. We have diesel. Diesel bracket AGO. So I will give it to 002 PI. DI002. I think it's in liters. It sells to me at three 320 currently. Okay, no, I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it. So I just put the purchase rate at 320 for generator. So everything is done. And as I say, so yeah, I'm just buying it. I'm not selling it. So now I have the product. So I can hit to raise the purchase order. I say the supplier's name, Bamboo Energy. Select item that I'll pick diesel. How many liters? I'm buying 200. Buying 200, which is one drum in liter for generator. Then I'll add more items so calculation will be made at 64,000. Then I pay immediately, or I enter payment details. Now I've not paid interest, but I've generated it, so which I can print out, or I can print it out, like preview it and see how you can give him this as his purchase order. So when he has supplied it, then you hit payment. So follow me on the next channel to see how I continue with this. This is the purchase order, purchase record of Bamboo Energy Johnson Close supplying AGO 200 liters at 220